Slows you down.
Yeah, because...
You got one empty there?
Got a full one here.
I didn't realize there's...
Dude,
grab the other box.
Darn. Ground
That
close.
was low. See that?
I think that one was... Fireman's go to the flak jacket. Just let me get my BB gun reloaded here. Holy man.
It's tough, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah!
That's a hole.
Not.
Oh, you broke it!
Oh, cool. He did. He hit it right there at the weight, too. Big old mark of metal there.
That's funny.
It spun that thing the first time, though. Oh, first time I hit it.
Yeah, I think your first hit's right there in the center.
All right. I had to shoot as I was coming up with it, Joey. You know, like a little low and then.
Yeah.
Where am I hitting?
Low. Low and in front.
I think.
Real close. Real close. She's right there.
Yeah, she is. First time ever shooting a pistol. 44.
Fire no.
Mine.
Shoot the bird.
I'm trying to shoot the bird.
Oh. I wasn't watching when you were shooting. I'm just watching how you're holding it. You're hitting way, way high.
Okay.
One more.
It's closer.
You got a real bird.